So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I will tell you that how to install number plate, LED strips and tail light LED strip. So first of all, if you wanna change your tail light bulb, then you can do this like this. You will be needing a LED strip like this, and for the number plate you need like this. So it is not mandatory that you will need to take out your mudguard. If you want to put your mudguard and put this, then obviously you can. It would give you a very nice look of your number plate. And then what you need to do is, first of all, is to take out your old halogen bulb from your scooter and then just cut it from the back. There will be three wires, just cut them off and then just put this strip like this. The strips have 3M tape. It is not 3M tape, but it's a double-sided tape, so you can put it like on this hinge like this. Then what are the connections, let me tell you. So first of all, this has two wires. So the first one, which is the pink and white or red or white, and one is full white. The full white is negative, and the which is having pink and white, it is the positive one. So the positive will go in the dark green color wire and the negative will go in the chocolate brown color wire. So this was for the number plate light. So this will only glow in the parking light, and if you need it for the brake light, then what you need to do is, let me tell you, you will be needing a strip. This would cost you 15 to 20 rupees or max 30 rupees, but please don't pay more than 30 bucks because it is not worth more than that. And this one comes in 10 bucks also in somewhere, but still it's a cheap product. These two are really cheap, that's why I'm saying this, that don't pay more for this. And then after connecting it, then one wire will be left, which is the yellow and the wait a minute yellow and the green one, yellow strip and the green color with yellow strip. Okay, so then what you need to do is, let me tell you, that you will be needing the positive wire of this one and just connect it to the green color wire of this, which you have attached the number plate lights positive one. You need to attach the positive one of this also, means the tail light ones also. And then after connecting this both, then after that you need to connect it on your, wait, what I have told it, it was the green and the yellow strip wire. This wire, if you will just need to put it like this, just tight it like this with the wire and then just tape it, then all is done. But I would like to say you that please extend this wire because it is kind of small, that's why it would not go till there. So let me show you the connections. After owning the, wait, let me off my camera's light, so it's really very bright. Let me off my lights. So this is how it looks at night. It's truly very bright. And the yellow one also, let me show it to you. So this is the yellow one. It is also although very bright. So if you will put it like, wait a minute, let me on my lights. So if you wanna put this one into a tail light, it's very simple. Let me tell it to you. Let me come on this side of the scooter. You can see one hole, that black kind of hole you can see over there. You can put it with tape or Fevikwik, anything, or Fevicol also. Just put it there like this. Wait a minute. Just put it like this. Like that you can put it over here, then the connections are done. So in night it looks really nice, and it's a cheap one, so you can obviously, the whole costing should be around 40 bucks with this too. And you should do the taping on it, and then just put it like this. And over here you can put a tape also, that then the wiring will not be seen. And over here you can put black tape, that because I have also put in but still it is coming out. You can put a black tape over here because the white color doesn't looks that much nice. And it is totally up to you that which color you want, because it comes in blue, green and red. So bye guys, I will see you in the next video.